Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40C-PKG, and it is a sensor package with remote sensor, 25 feet of cable, remote switches, environmentally sealed switches mounted into a junction box with 25 feet of cable, and the switches are for decrementing and also reset to 0, and the sensor, which is a diffused reflective, so you have a solid object that's going to sense that and count as 1, will be your increment. And the displays are 4-inch, 4-digit, all aluminum enclosure. This is set up as a master secondary, so it's a synchronized system. Any one of our displays can be set up that way. Just right, which is the customer wanted it to be wired, and we have 50 feet of cabling in between for the data. The data is being transmitted, and you can see that it's being transmitted here with this lower right LED flashing, and then that one's receiving it. If you remove the data from it, this one would not flash anymore, indicating you've lost the data. Go ahead and simulate the process. They're going to be counting packages. So each time a package falls in front of the reflective sensor, it will count increment 1. And this does have a 10 millisecond response time. All the connections are made into the rear of the enclosure of the master for your not only your data, but also your sensor and also your remote switches for decrementing and resetting. Go ahead and decrement here. I'm going to show you that. And then reset to 0. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is the DC-40C-PKG, and it's set up as a synchronized system. They are counters as a synchronized system. Thanks for watching.